Hi guys, welcome to CloudRevolution. I am Mukesh. Today I am going to explain how we can fix if we have problem that internet time is not sync. So right now you can see here it is showing 7:33 10 June 2020 on my screen. And if I show you actual date and time, it is 7:04 p.m. 9th June, 9th June Friday. So my internet time and time zone is not syncing. So let us click. So if you click on here, it is not going to solve your problem. Let me show you what it is showing. I think there is some error showing for you also. Let us see what it is. As you can see, this is showing some time synchronization failure. Let us solve this one. So it is very simple. First, we have to search here in the Windows search for services. Okay. Services. And here search for Windows time service. So let us scroll down. So this is Windows time service. So double click on it. It will open. Right now my service is down. That's why it is showing wrong. So let us start it. If your service is already running, but it is not showing, then stop this service and again start this service and select it automatically. Okay. And click on OK. So this is the method one. If this thing is not solved yet, there is one more method. For that, we have to go to command prompt. So let us right click on start button. You can open terminal, the admin privileges, or you can search it here, command prompt, and run as administrator. Click on run as administrator. So here, we have to run some simple commands. I'm going to share that in the description also. So here are those commands in my notepad. All you have to do is copy this, paste it in your you can enter. So this one stop my Windows time service. Now let us unregister it and we will register it. Register it. So this is a method to this. Even if doesn't solve, so we go to here to the bottom right corner, right click here, click on adjust date and time. It will redirect us to settings. Scroll down, go to select this one, additional clocks. Now select internet time, click on change settings. Now select any server other than this. So I am selecting time.nist.gov. It doesn't matter. You have to select a different one. Let us click on update. Okay. So right now it is showing an error, but my time has been updated. As you can see at 7:11, you can see it is updated at 97. That is 7:11 p.m. Okay? That is how you can solve this error. That is it for this video. There. If you have any doubts, please comment down. I I can explain what went wrong, and please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.